Hey everybody, it's 123 Mr. B. We are going to be entering the realm of multiplication here with our breakdown math or breaking math program here. And so breakdown multiplication, and here I have two multiplication questions that I would say that most people probably couldn't just do off the top of their heads, but I'm going to show you how you can get there, how you can do this off the top of your head just by going mental a little bit, doing a few things off by heart. Okay, so here's what we do. First thing, I'm going to pretend that I don't know what the answer of this is, okay? And I wrote them down seconds ago. I don't have an answer key. I'm doing this for the first time. So I don't know what that is. And I'm thinking, how can I break down this to something easier? Wouldn't it be nicer if I didn't have to count by 31s? What if I broke it down to something a little smaller, like 30 plus 1? Because I know 30 plus 1 is 31. Isn't that correct? Now I'm just going to stretch it out. Everything's times 7. So there's no change here. That's the nice part about this whole system. You're always going to have the same thing in the middle. 31 times 7 is, I don't know, but 30 times 7, well, let's just think here. If 3 times 7 is 21, then 30 times 7 has to be 210. You throw a 0 in the back, there's a 0 in the back. Okay, so 210, and then 1 times 7 is 7, that's easy. And then we get an answer of 217. So let's just look at what happened here. 30 plus 1 is 31. I know that's off by heart. This whole thing is the same, so you don't even have to open your brain, which is great. 3 times 7 is 21, so 30 times 7 is 210. I know you can get there just by a little thought cloud on the side. 1 times 7 is 7, that's off by heart. And then 210 plus 7 equals 217. That's off by heart. So what we did in this question is we went off by heart, off by heart, off by heart, and then you're able to get your answer simply off by heart by a matter of just exercising a few mental calculations. 1, 2, 3 mental calculations brought you to a 4th mental calculation, and you're just fine. So you know that 31 times 7 equals 217. Now 82 times 6, let's try the same sort of idea. Right now, I don't have a clue what it's going to be, but I can break this down. I can break it down even to smaller things if I wanted to. What if I, for example, what if I was only comfortable with my 4 times 6 tables? If I knew that 4 times 6 equals 24, so 40 times 6 equals 240. What's that? I would do this maybe if this was my comfort zone, right? So 40 times 6 is 240. But I need to get all the way up to 82, so maybe I'll add another 40 times 6. So that's 240. So that's 40 is 80, add 2 more. Plus 2 times 6 is 12. Okay. Put all that together. 40 and 2 is 82. And then this, of course, is always the same. So, I mean, really, there's not much new stuff we're doing. And we just got to add this stuff. 2, 9, and 4. So somehow we figured out just by off by heart, off by heart, off by heart, off by heart here, and then we're left with this, 240 plus 12, pluses and pluses, is 492. And this is a much easier thing to do here as opposed to starting with this, right? So in effect, breakdown multiplication really breaks multiplication down into a series of smaller, easier things, and you end up with a simple addition statement to do to solve what you're going to do to solve your answer.